In the next 90 seconds I'm going to show you how to add this outline effect to any object. It's super easy, so let's go. Let's do an outline of a person first. Add your photo to the project and remove the background. Select Edit and find Shadows, then select Outline. It defaults to a black outline, but you can adjust the color, width and intensity. I'll change it to white and make it a wide outline. Add the original photo back and layer the outlined copy on top. Since we used a wider outline, there's a little adjusting to get it to look just right. There we go, that's looking okay for a 30-second job. What do you think? For a second example, let's use this monkey. Sorry, maybe this is too close to our original example, but it's still fun. It's the same process, add the photo and remove the background to get started. Select Edit and choose Outline. This time I'm going to give it a yellow outline, but I'll tighten up the width of the outline. Okay, that looks like it could be fun. Let's add back in the original photo again and layer our primate back into his original setting. You can see with the smaller outline it fits easily onto the original. These outlines give the subject matter some extra pop in their photos and are a common design technique in posters, thumbnails, and memes. Do you think you can do an outline on this laptop now?